Hello and how are you, buddies? Today I welcome to everyone in my channel, and today we have discussed about the life insurance benefits and debate in USA in those are 2023. So first of all, we have discussed about the life insurance. What is life insurance? Life insurance is a critical component of financial planning as it provides a safety net for individuals and their families in the event of unforeseen circumstances such as a premature death. In the United States, life insurance policy offer a variety of benefits including death benefits, living benefits and tax advantages. However, like any financial product, life insurance policies also come with their own set of drawbacks of limitations. In the article we will explore the benefits and drawbacks of life insurance policies in the United States, as well as any notable trends or developments in the industry of 2023. So now we have discussed first in the list of life insurance in USA 2023, the benefits of life insurance in United States. First, death benefits. First come is a death benefits. So many benefits categories. So first we have discussed the death benefits. One of the primary benefits of the insurance policies in the death benefits, which is paid out of the beneficiary of the policyholder upon their death. The death benefits can be used to pay for financial expenses such as funeral costs, to provide a financial support for the policy holders, policy holders loans, such as paying of debit or covering ongoing living expenses. Second will come in the living benefits. In addition to death benefits, many life insurance policies also are offering living benefits such as accelerated death benefits, or critical illness riders. The benefits allow policies holders to access a portion of their death benefits while they are still alive if they are diagnosed with a qualifying medical conditions such as a cancer or heart attack. So this is all about a short note of living benefits. After that will come tax advantages. Another benefit of life insurance policy in their tax advantage. The death benefit is generally income tax free to the beneficiary, and the cash value of permanent of life insurance policy can grow tax deferred. Number 4 is come to estate planning. Life insurance can also be a useful tool for estate planning. It can be used to provide liquidity to an estate, or to fund a trust that can be used to transfer wealth to future generations. Number 5, we have discussed about the peace of mind. Perhaps the most significant benefits of life insurance in the peace mind it provides, knowing that you are now it provides knowing that your loved ones will be taken care of financially in the event of your ultimately death can provide a sense of security and comfort. Okay, so these all are the benefits of life insurance in the USA. Now we have discussed the drawbacks of life insurance in the United States. Number first, we have discussed about a cost. Life insurance number 1 is cost. Life insurance policy can be expensive, especially for those who are older or who have pre-existing medical conditions. Premiums can be a significant financial burden on some individuals, and they may not be able to afford the coverage you need. Number second one, we have discussed about a flexibility. Limited flexibility. Life insurance policies can be relatively inflexible. Once a policy is in place, it can be challenging to make changes to the coverage, to the cancel the policies altogether. Number three, we have discussed about the no guarantee of coverage. There is no guarantee that a life insurance policy will pay out its death benefits. Death benefits in the policyholder dies during the contestability period, which is typically the first 2 years of the policy. The insurers may investigable. They claim and deny coverage if they did not if they find any misrepresentation or omission on the application. Number four, we have a last discussion about the life insurance in the USA, drawbacks of number four, and last we have discussed complexity. Life insurance policy can be complicated, especially for those who are not familiar with the industry. Understanding the different types of policy coverage, amounts, and rights can be challenging of any individuals. These the drawbacks and benefits of life insurance. The benefits is also a 5, so many more, but we have discussed some main issues about the benefits, life insurance benefits and drawbacks in USA 2023. Now we have discussed about the trend and development in the life insurance industry in the United States. Number first, we have discussed about that. Increased emphasis on living benefits. In recent years, many life insurance companies have increased their emphasis on living benefits, such as a critical illness and long-term care riders. The benefits can help policyholders cover the high cost of medical care and can provide additional financial supports in the event of a serious illness. Number second, we have discussed about the trends and development, adoption of new technologies in life insurance. Many life insurance companies are also adopting new technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning to streamline and other underwriting and claim processes. These technologies can help insurance make more accurate risk assessment and reduce the time it takes to process claims. Number three and last, we have discussed about the trend and development of life insurance in 2013. Rise of insurtech companies. Insurtech companies which use technology to provide insurance products in the USA. Now in the 2023, these are the benefits and drawbacks of life insurance in USA. So today topic I think is a grateful and peaceful and informational for my viewership in USA. So please, those who are not subscribed the channel till now, so after that you have subscribed my channel and you have watched the so many benefits videos and good videos for you. So now you have give me next video we will meet with you in another topic about the BA degrees, MBA degrees, and so many degrees we will discuss the next my video. So now you will give me goodbye and see you soon after next video. Thank you so much for watching my video and please subscribe the channel for more videos.